Alright, boys, so we are back on the Supra. Um, we have a whole lot of unexpected expenses that popped up that's taken away from us being able to finish this car. I was able to do the side skirt, so you guys can tell I kind of painted it. I like the way it looks. But we're gonna clean the engine bay, and like I said, not much is really left to do. Just, I mean, again, everything's money, as you guys know. But engine, transmission, I'm missing the rear swamp. The interior, I'm missing door panels, center console. We got a dash, thank God. Well, thank God for that. And it's not cracked, so that was a bonus. But yeah, I'm taking donations. If you guys got a W58 you want to give away for free, a rear swamp, an interior, hit me up. Anyways, but yeah, today we're just gonna clean. Look how dirty this is. The rust is not too bad. I've seen way worse, thank God. So I can kind of, sand this down a little bit and then spray over it so I can save it. And yeah, I mean, it's just a little dirty. But we got a pressure washer here. We got our soap. And so that's all we're gonna do today. And I really like this color. I wanted to do it all black, but I'm kind of digging the color tone, especially with the side skirt with the black. Let me know what you guys think. You like this color, or should I just go all black out and get it painted? It's really nice. That burgundy, I think the front bumper is like a darker cherry, and then the car itself is like burgundy itself. So, but anyways, let's clean the car and engine bay, my bad. And yeah. Alright guys, so there it is. We cleaned it the best we can and it looks pretty decent. Like I said, I just got to take care of this. Besides that, got rid of some of the oil that was all caked up here. I mean, a little bit more scrubbing, it could look good. But at least the engine bay is clean. So of course with the 2J, we can't really drop this in because it's a front swamp and I need the rear. So anybody want to trade? Let me know if you want to trade, because I really need to get rid of this so I can drop this in. And we have a lot of stuff to dress up. That's just mocked up, so don't worry. Downpipe needs to be tweaked and extended to fit with the MK3. But yeah, I mean, we're getting there. Like I said, everything's just money. A lot of you guys are in the same position as I am. The funds aren't there, so you really can't do much. And yeah, so we're not selling the Supra anytime soon. Even if I had no money, it would just sit here till I get it done. Realistically, I mean, transmission, wiring harness, interior, connect everything, and you got a running car. That's if the motor is good. So I don't really have that much hope on that motor, that 2J. But nonetheless, that's where we're at. So sorry guys for the slow uploads on this car right here on the Supra, but that's just the situation. Till our fun situation gets a little better, then we can really kind of dive into the Supra and get that done. So until next time, I'll catch you guys. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe if you don't mind waiting.